back, so hold up. Cut it left and back up some. Yeah, you're moving that rock. Keep coming back. Keep coming. Hold up. Cut it right. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good line right there. Give it. Go, go, go. Hold up. Hold up. Your left tire's underneath that overhang. Yeah, cut it left and back up again. All right, hold up. Cut it right. Okay, come forward some. Yeah, that's a better line. Maybe. You can do that. You'll make that. You're gonna have to bump it. Hold up. It's not gonna walk it. You're gonna have to bump that. Cut it right some. Yeah, it's pretty good. Give that a good, yeah, give that a bump. Not huge, but give it, go. There you go. That's it.